Masaya siya lang ako sa'yo.
Mami, what do you think? Bakit ka ng toilet paper dyan? Okay.
Ano, masaya.
Siyempre masaya. Ano pa masasabi mo? May kabuuan ba yung grupo?
Yeah, totally.
Nakakatawa po.
Mga sagot. Larnie, ano sa tingin mo?
Ang cute po nila tingnan kasi
Oo.
andun yung interaction po.
Okay.
And tapos, nakakakot din ng attention ng audience dahil sa music. Pero parang ano po, yung blending. Sorry.
Oo.
Yung pa-flat plot.
Okay. So sa blending sila medyo may bulilyaso, okay? Pero as a group, okay, effective daw. Ano sa tingin mo?
Meron sir connection sila sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, ano yun? Kumbaga, minsan may na-over. Kumbaga, may iba over sa energy. Pero
That's Iñaki.
hindi gaanong halata sa kanila. Kasi parang kung nakikita ng dalawa na super energy, parang sinasapawan nila para maging isa.
Christian, what do you think? Galing.
Ano po, maganda pong pakinggan, tapos nakakaaliw. Kung ako yung audience, talagang papalakpak ako kasi maganda.
Okay. Ano masasabi mo, Miss Puerto Galera?
Ayusin mo na.
Ayusin ko. Hindi dahil birthday mo. Hindi, ayos po yung ano nila. Parang mas maganda po kaysa nung last time na nag-perform sila. Mas nagkaroon nga ng ano, na parang connection. Although minsan, mas nakikita pa rin yung energy ni Iñaki. Pero sinasabayan ni Miguel, pag nakita na rin ni ganon. Tapos yun lang po, parang hindi lang po ganong marinig talaga yung boses nila. Parang yung blending hindi pa rin ganon.
Hindi kasi hindi tayo naka-mic at saka na-emphasize yung movement. Nakikita niyo yan sa breathing. We will learn this by next week. Oras na sumayaw ka at ang dami-dami mong moves at kailangan mong kumanta. Kailangan mayroong disiplina at paghati ang iyong breathing sa iyong movement at sa iyong pagkanta. At talagang mahihirapan kayo. Yan ang training usually done in musical theater Hindi ba? Yung breathing and movement. Simple po lang yung choreography niya. Can you imagine yung mga ginagawa nila Gary V, nila Madonna, na nagtatatalong kayo on stage at kumakanta kayo na hindi kayo, nami-maintain ninyo yung breathing niyo tsaka yung mga notes ninyo. Hindi ba? That takes a lot of practice and a lot of discipline and a lot of focus. Okay? Really a lot of focus. We will try to do that next week. Okay? But it doesn't mean that if we do it next week that you can perfect it. It takes time. And it takes practice. Okay? Napansin niyo yung unang grupo, hindi ba? Para lang naman sila nagbabalat ng mani. Yung unang grupo, yung choreography nila, hindi ba?
Pagandang ko sa inyo.
Hindi ba pa nagbabalat sila ng mani? Okay. Pero, hindi ba? Pag bigla kang gumalaw at kumanta ka, kung minsan nawawala ka sa breath mo. Dahil kailangan i-prepare mo yung sarili mo kung kailan ka papasok ng kanta. Lalo na itong grupong ito na magalaw. Na again, what worked against them is they're over-choreographed. Hindi ba? They were over-choreographed Kaya naaapektuhan yung vocals nila. Hindi ba? Tama yan. I was telling them na Iñaki's energy is there because he was apparently the alpha, okay, of the grupo. Okay? Sumusunod si Miguel.
Baklang-bakla.
Kaya nga si Apple was sometimes sticking out. Pero mabuti na lang coordinated yung movements nila. But it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. I found it really fun because the song is so much fun and you look funny watching the three of you. Okay? The man from the world of Chicharon, okay? An overgrown baby, okay?
Overgrown baby.
And a transsexual, okay?
I love it. It's okay.
Okay, no, but it was really a lot of fun. Okay? Voice-wise, 5.5? 5.57, okay? But kasi nawawala yung blending because of the sayaw. Okay, but that was really a lot of fun. Okay, let's hear it for the boys. This is the real test of blending.
More than a woman.
Because I can never imagine four such diverse voices. Alam nyo, Munet, doon muna kayo that yung voicing niya ng pagiging problema. Okay? I don't wanna see them first up front.
Ang hirap po. Hindi okay lang yung melody pa pa.
But you are.
Girl, I've known you very well.
No.
Girl, I've known you very well. I've seen you growing
Every day I've never